After 16 months of development, we've launched this 2-in-1 electric screwdriver and drill, a pen-shaped portable tool equipped with 18 types of commercially available drills, exquisitely pen-shaped body, and the anti-slip silicone on both sides gives you a great grip. The 4-pull high-strength locking device allows your drill and screw to be firmly fixed in place. Just 3 keys: switch, on, off, left spin, right spin, let you operate simply. Whether it's drilling a 5cm piece of wood or screwing 1,000 screws, 2-in-1 Jakemy is worth to own.